Okay, so it's about a week later. We got this Johnson here, and here's the part that that we're going to be putting right here to replace this one. This is like a CDI box called a power pack, like I said before. Now, I'll put the part in the description, but let me just flip this over and give you a view of the part number there. I got it from Amazon. You can find it on my store. And yeah, very cool. So let's get to it. Okay. Take these two bolts out here. Looks like top and bottom. Oh, my light's starting to... Boy, oh boy. Well, first, can you still see that on the light? Yeah. All right, first we will take this back off again. Here we are. Put that one to the side. Okay. Wiggle these. Don't pull them by the wire. Wiggle them at the connection like that. Okay. Now we can get to the bottom one like that. Here. Okay. There we are. Now, just kind of pay attention to the orientation of what where stuff goes. Okay, like I said, rock those back and forth, don't pull them from the wire. Pull this up a little bit, and we have to get that ground off on the side there. Okay. Can you see that okay? Yeah. Sorry about the light. I'm kind of in the corner. A week went by and I accumulated some more stuff. So, you know how I roll. If it's for sale and I can fix it for cheap, pick it up for cheap. Okay. There's the old one. Let's put on the new one. Okay, so we got the new power pack on. We have our spark tester. Let's see if we restored that spark. Oh yeah, there it goes. All right, well, that's the top one. Let's look at the bottom one. Okay, let's look at that bottom one now. Oh yeah. Very nice, very nice. Okay, let's get it into some water and see if she can pump water out of the water pump and stay idle and accelerate and so on. Just want to show you the brand new power pack in there. Yeah. You always want to have spark first before you go after anything else like carburetor, pump, water, any of that. I always want to see if you got spark first. Oh, and compression, but we already know we got compression, so okay. Okay, got her filling up. Got our brand new spark plugs in there. They were Champion L78V. So, yep. Let's see if she can rock and roll. Okay, we got everything hooked up. Let's see how we did. Okay, so we're back on this one. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go after that carburetor. So remember that we put that new module on there, and now we got spark. We know we got spark in that. And now we put in the, the two new spark plugs. And let's check that timing here. Okay, yeah, we know that our timing is okay. See how that little timing mark right there, and it kind of lines up with this guy. So it might be a little off, but it's not bad. But yeah, I mean, it's touching it, right? And so we're gonna take the starter mechanism off and get to that carburetor. Okay, so we got that off. My tripod's on the other end of the shop here, so I'll go get it here in a minute. But just kind of like do like a little crisscross motion here. Try to get it contained. Even a rope will work, but yeah, you don't want it to do that. Whoa, that's a little. Oh, you don't want to do that like flinging motion there. So we're gonna go after that bolt and that bolt on the other side and bring that whole thing out. I almost forgot. You gotta take that flathead screw to get to that bolt down there. I mean that nut. So remember, when you take it out, remember the orientation to that little rod right there. Okay, now that we got it off, let's see what kind of macaroni we got going on in there, huh? Let me get those screws out of there. All right. Oh, that's what I expected. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is nasty. With a capital N. Oh goodness. Well, that ain't no doggone good now, is it? Holy cow. Okay. And look at all the water. Oh my gosh, look at all the water. Look at all the water. Oh, well, that wasn't gonna run a doggone thing, was it? Okay, so that's gonna do it for the Johnson. We're gonna go ahead and get some parts. I appreciate everybody following along. Please remember to comment and subscribe. Remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless.